Hello, I'm Felipe and I work as a software developer at Silicon Life. Today, I will present you EyeFlow, our platform for video analytics. The idea of this video is to show you how easy it is to use our platform for your projects. In this video, I will create a flow and a dataset and train the neural network to identify cats and dogs. Using a browser of your preference, you access app.eyeflow.ai and then sign in. The next step is to create an application. An application is like a subdirectory where you can organize your project. You will put your datasets, flows, and trainings there. You click here, give a name to it, dogs and cats in my case, and pick an icon. I could upload an image, but for now I'll just select an icon of a cat. Alright, my application is created and I click on it. Now I will create my first dataset in this application and I'll give it a name as dogs and cats detection. Put a type, object detection, and give it a class. I will create two classes, one for dogs, I will put dog, and the other cat. The classes are the things that the neural network will try to identify. Okay, so save and save. Okay, I can see here my dataset. Now I will create my first flow. I will give it a name, dogs and cats flow. Create flow and I can see my flow here. Let's draw the flow. Click on it. The flow works like a path for your project. It tells the system where it has to start and where it has to end. I will select the first component of my flow, which is a camera, an input. I will put it here, dragging and dropping it, give it a name like camera, and save it. The next component I will select is a selector and it is the right tracker. I will explain in later videos what is the right tracker, or you can go to the documentation and see it there. I will select the dataset, dogs and cats detection, save it, connect both of my components, so my project starts here and for now it ends here. I can see my classes here, dog and cat, and my flow is complete for now. As my project grows, I can grow my flow too, but for now we can stop here. I will save it. Now I will put some images in my dataset. I will do it using a video. So I'll click on flow test and upload my video. Once the upload is done, I will select the video here and start the annotation. The system will take random images from this video, and after this process I will select some images and start my work on them. Alright, now that the flow has processed my video, I can go to my dataset and start working on the images. I click in dogs and cats, which is the name of my project, and then I click on datasets. From here we go to new examples. Here we will find the images from the video and I will start selecting the images that I want. I I will select some images from here. Alright, then I will insert the selected examples. Wait for them to load. Okay, now I can refer to my dataset. I can start work on the images now. I click on the image and I will create boxes to identify the faces. Where it is a cat, I will put the cat, and where is a dog, I'll put dog. So it's a cat, save, go to the next, dog, save, next, cat. Alright, dog, and cat. Oh, save. Alright, okay, close it. Okay, I can see the boxes that I have created in them. I'll click in info to see if my selections are well distributed, and I can see here they are not. So I will refer to the new examples to select some images of dogs. I will select more 2 of them. Alright, create the boxes. Okay, now let's train the neural network. To train the neural network, just click in Training Dashboard and then start the training. Click on OK. The dataset training started. We will see the training here. Alright, my training is finishing, and then you can see the results of it. Now that the training has finished, I can see the result of it. I can see that clicking in this button here, test, and I can see if the neural network has detected anything in my images. I can see it has not. The images are too different, and maybe I have to put more examples for the neural network to work okay. It's a normal process and it's an iterative process. So I will have to go to my flow. I will annotate the same video again. I could upload another video, but I will annotate the same video again and extract some images from there. Then I will restart the process of extracting images, selecting them, creating boxes, and training. I could upload new videos, extract new images until my network works well. Okay, after doing 2 more rounds of annotations and creating the boxes in the new examples that I put and training 1 more time, we can see here that the neural network has started detecting my animals, the differences between dogs and cats. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye bye.